Okay guys, first game tayo guys. Taiwan Formosa versus Injection, PC Injection guys. Jumble guys, jumble.
William. First possession goes to PC Injection. First point. Number 2 now, goes to the ball. Pass to Lokias. Pass to William. To a 5-4-3. 1 goal. Fouled by Gomez. Pass to Madu. Madu now, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Berha. Berha to Gomez. Gagin. 2 points. 2-2. So now, this is dribbling. Looking for receiver. Attempting. Pinasa kay shoot. Back to shoot. To William. 12 seconds shot clock. Now, dribbling the ball. Inabot ang bola. Rascal by Lokias. Pass to Madu. Pass to Berha. Jump shot. 1 goal. Rebounded by Wade. Two. Raji. 1 goal. Rebounded by Gomez. Pass to Erra. Erra to Marinan. Inasa kay Madu jump shot, 2 points, 2 by Madu. Nagawa ni Erra, pinasa kay Karinan, pero 1 goal, nakuha ni Erra ang bola. Erra, back to Madu, para sa by shoot. 15 seconds shot clock, Madu, Raji, 2 points, 2 by Madu. Lokias now, Raji, 1 goal, 2 by Gomez. Gomez now, ayan na, dire-diretso, hinahabol ni Lokias. Gomez na walang bola, buti na si Karinan, 2 points. Kalmado ang mga players. Ayan na si Su now, Pinasa, nakuha ni Karinan. Karinan, pasbay to Erna. Erna mahal, 2 points, 2 by. Sampo agad ang nilobo ng kalamangan ng PCC Injection. Shoot now. Back to Lokias. William. Raji. 2 points. Erra is dribbling. 7 minutes remaining for the full quarter. Madu attempted for 3. It's an air ball. So now. Shooting the ball. Catch the play. Back to William. To shoot. Attempted for 3. 1 goal. Rebounded by Madu. Madu pass play to Erna. Challenge 2. 1 goal. Rebounded by Su. Raji. Captain Su. 1 goal. Rebounded by Wade. Wade by 2 points. 2 by Lak tao. Madu. Lumusot. Bumangka. Gomez. Pinasa kay Berha. Berha now. Pagsayaw at 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Karinan, 5 seconds to shoot. Berha, jump shot. 2 points to Berha. Wade now. Easy dribbling, nagintay ng kasama. Pinasa kay William. William, sumalangkap. Pinasa kay Su. Attempt for 3. 1 goal. Rebound Berha. Berha back to Karinan. Karinan now. Challenge, jump shot. 2 points to by Karinan. Lalaro. Soon now, easy dribbling, pinasa kay Lokias. Lokias, 1 goal, rebound, Lokias pa rin, 2 points by Lokias. Ay score natin, 8-16. Sampo, ang PC Injection. Lokias, 5 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Lokias 5, 2 points by Erna. Erna. Easy dribbling. Back to Gomez. Sumalakda. Tumira. 1 goal. Rebounded by Su. Su now. Challenge Erna. Laser. 2 points. Remaining for the first quarter. Erna now. Pinasa kay Madu. Pinasa kay Berha. Nawala. Now. Easy dribbling. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Pass to Su. Nalito ang kalaban, pero may dito. First goal. 1 point.
Okay guys, technical.
Okay. Pinasa kay Berha. Berha. To Erna. Erna binalik kay Berha. Jump shot. 1 go. Nakuha ni Erna. Erna tininang pangalaban. Tumira sa tres. Wala pa rin. Su. Pass-press to Logyas. Nahuli naman ni Erna. Erna now. Reading the ball. Erna pinasa kay Karina. Karina. Foul. 1 go. Foul by Su. Diretso, papatulog doon, tumira, huli ka balbon. And there's a whistle. William, patulog yan. Logyas to Sun. Sun to Su. Su, harap to may Karinan. Foul. 1 go. Rebound by Logyas. Mabilis at mamadali. Nahabol yun. Pinasa kay Erna. Erna now. Dalawang isip. Tumira, dalawang shoot. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Shoot now. Shoot pass. Shoot on the free throw line. First throw. Pasok. Second throw. Shoot. Ang score mo namin, 20-15, lima na lang kalamangan ng PC injection. Erna, pass to Madum. Madum now, setting the play. Madum, pinasa kay Gomez. Gomez, 10 seconds to shoot. Inaharap to way, Berhao. 5 seconds to shoot. 5, 1 goal, there's the whistle. Second personal on Karinan. Logyas, pinasa kay Madum. Hindi lang kahit naindihan ang mga kampe. Madum now. Ayan na si Madum. Arms by Su. Pinasa kay sa kalaban. Ayan na si Su. Su. Habol kay Berha. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. Putak. Wala pa rin. Palusok. Wala pa rin. Kanino mapuhul ang bala? Nakuha ni Madum. Madum ang ball. Pass to Erna. Erna now, challenge play, malaki yan. Umilaw, baklas na tumak. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Iba, verso niyaw. William Domingo, pasok. Berha. He's got it. 5 seconds, shot clock. 24 seconds. Shoot! Nakuha ni Berha. Berha tapas to Erna. Erna now, 40 seconds remaining. Karinan. Su. Sansuyaw. Sansuyaw. One goal. 15 seconds remaining. Wala. Sumiyaw. Pass. Time.
Okay guys, second quarter guys. Second quarter.
Penyola. Up to Su. So now, Daji, pinasa kay Way. Pass to Way. Pass to La Orden. La Orden now. Pinasa kay Nabunti. Pinasa kay Nabunti. Huling na balbon. Feeling the ball. Pinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Ranyola. Lawala. Number 3. Naglag pa to Timan. Timan foul. 1 goal. Rebound kay Way. Way pa to Su. Su. Attempted for 3. And there's the whistle. Delegado. Second throw by Su. Wala. Rebound by William. William bumangga. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Orange. Orange daw. Nastabing piso. Pero kanina bola. It's a ball tayo. Mapupunta pa rin. Sa tayo. Almost up. Back to Rayola. Rayola. Pass. One goal. Laorden. Bumangga. Muntik mauli. And there's the whistle. Apat ang kalabangan lang ng PC injection. Ayun na si Sus. Setting the play. Back to Sus. Subar. One goal. Put back. Goal by Sus. Garland. Back to Timan. Timan daw. Timan. Nakipagsayawan. Iniwan. 10 seconds shoot. Sumiyaw. 5 seconds shoot. Intercepted by muntik makuha ni William. Ayan na si William ang bola. Inasa kay Logas. Logas. 2 balls. Goal by Logas. Tabla na. May tabla na ang laban. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Garland. Iniwang kay Ayun. Iniwang kay Ayun. Masyadong malaki pero intercepted by Timan. Timan daw. Harap by Rayola. Timan. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by William. William, dribbling the ball. Nakita na kasama, nakita ni Orange, pero may mahigla tayo.
Okay guys, back to the ball game guys. All po ang score. All 24.
Sumiyaw, Belfegao, shoot. Lokya. Umiyaw. One goal. Rebound by Lai. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Lauten for 3. One goal. Rebounded by Shoot. Shoot now. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining. Nakuha ni Shoot na bola. Shoot now. Dribbling. 1 minute and 30. Email. Ivan. Timan now. After Lauten. Pinasa kay Orange. Orange kanina bola. Ivan Samiao. Ivan Samiao. Subar. One goal. Rebounded by Orange. Orange. Pasto Libuan. Pas Libuan. Pinasa kay Timan. Contact dito line. One goal. Rebounded by Lauden. 4 seconds remaining. Lauden pass. One goal. Rebounded by William. William now. Pasto. Salsamiao. 40 seconds to shoot. Salsamiao. 5. 2 points. 21 seconds. Tabluan. Sumiao.
Hakin.
Sumiao. Pamiao. Umiao. One goal. Bola.
Okay guys, third quarter lamang po ang Taiwanese guys ng 2 points. 26-28.
Harus by Erna, Pakusu. Attempting for 3. One goal. Rebound. Taken by Logan. Intercepted by Shoot. Shoot now. Lamang pa rin ang Taiwan team. Logan. Jack to Rayola. Rayola. Wala. Rebound by Logan. Muli ka balbo. Rebound by Gomez. Pass break to Erna. Muntik na wala. Shoot now. It's dribbling. Set the play. Soon, pinasa kay Rayola. 50 seconds shot clock. Back to Soon. Intercepted. Soon, back to Lokia. Nawala na doon. Pinasa kay Erna. Ayan na si Erna. Back to Bera. Bera to Laorden. Laorden now. Looking for receiver. Pass to Mago. Mago to malakadak. Back to Soon. Soon. Harap to by Erna. And no way. Su, pinasa kay Logan. Intercepted by Bera. Paparik to Erna. Erna lays up. Easy 2 points. Su, pass to William. William, pass to Ranyola, pagtulog yan, kinaling kay Ranyola. Ranyola, inahabol. Ay pagkayawan, ayun na, nahuli na nila Orden. Orden, they got to ball. 30, 28, lamang na ng dalawa. Logyas pa, panabla ni 15 seconds remaining on third quarter. Erna, paso la Orden. La Orden, tumadog. Wago, follows after by Gomez, pero wala. Nakuha, pero wala. Easy dribbling. Sumasalaksak, may dito. Kaibigan, baka naman patuloy sa mga ilaw namin dyan. Maraming salamat. Suban, rebound by Madu. Madu, pass break to Erna. Wala, rebound by Zun. Pass to Ranyola. Ranyola now. Pass to Logyas. Logyas bumangga. Wala, rebound by Madu. Madu, intercepted by Logyas. Pass to Zu. Pass to 3. One goal, rebound Gomez back to Erna. Erna now. Inasahay la Orden. Pero pinalik kay intercepted by Ranyola. Ranyola nawala. Nakuha ni Su. Su now. Dire-diretso. Sumalangsak. Lays up. 2 points by La Orden now. Dribbling the ball. Go. Sergio pinakitalo. Intercepted by William. William now. Pass to Logyas. Logyas. Ayan na si Logyas. Sumalangsak. Tumira. Tosok ang by Logyas. Score natin. Kerky, 34. Lumalabas, tumira sa 13 si Erna. Wala isang error. Shoot now. Easy dribbling. 5 minutes remaining. Go to the quarter. Shoot now. Dribbling the ball. Zu. Gazi. Pass. One goal. Rebound to Madu. Pass break for Erna. Ayan natin Erna. Lays up. 2 points. Zu. Pass to William. William now. Back to Logyas. Logyas files. One goal. Follows up. One goal. Rebound by. Madu. Back to La Orden. La Orden. Back to Berha. Berha to Erna. Erna drives in. One goal. Rebound by La Orden. Back to Berha. Under 4-3. One goal. Rebound by Su. So now, challenge Erna, nakalulot, lays up, one goal, rebound by Berha. Berha now. Berha, sumalangsak, lays up, one goal, rebound by Sun. Please enter the 5 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sumiao. Simiao. Umiao. Ito sa whistle. Flag coming in. Warning for penalty injection. Wala. Rebound to Gomez. Gomez now. Back to Carlan. Carlan. Hintayin ang kasama. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Back to Madu. Madu to La Orden. La Orden. Harap may Logyas. Sinasakay. Ito sa whistle. Yaman, Susu Miao. 2 minutes and 50. Foul for 3. One goal. Rebound by La Orden. La Orden to Carlan. Lays up. One goal. Rebound by Su. Yaman, Susu Miao. Su. Dribbling the ball. Yaman, Susu Miao. Susu Miao. Carlan now. Paso La Orden. Ivan, Sumiao. 12 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Para corner natin. Ivan, Sumiao. Sumiao. Patulog yan. Pass. One goal. Rebound by Gomez. Nakuha ni William. Pass. 2 points by William. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Same ball. Ivan Sumiao. 1 minute and 10. Even from 2 points. Shoot. Back to shoot. Shoot. Pass. 1 goal. Rebound Gomez. To Carlan. Carlan to Gomez. 2 points. Rebound Gomez. Sancho Miao. Lock it down. 1 goal. Rebound. Kay Gomez. Gomez to Carlan. 20 seconds remaining. And also whistle. Iu. Shumiao. Pamiao. Umiao. 2 points. And off the quarter. High score pa natin.
38 guys.
Oh, 38. Then
Okay guys.
Ang
Guys, for quarter guys. Ang final quarter.
Errenau. Binasa kay Berha. Attempt for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by William. Ayan na si Su. Sasalangkat. Su 5. 1 goal. Rebound by Gomez. Errenau dribbling the ball. Tumalo. Malo. Sasalangkat. Tumangba. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Erna. Erna. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Ang 40 sa 38. Dalawa ang kalamangan. Ang CC injection. Shoot now. Dribbling the ball. Pass to shoot. Attempting. Nalilong kalaban. Shoot for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Gomez down. Tatalaklat. Biniwang kay Caritas. 2 points by Caritas. Score! 42! 38! Apat ang kalamangan. Shoot now. Set the play. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Shoot back. 1 goal. Rebound to by Madu. Madu. Pinasakay Caritas pero now. Pass to shoot. Shoot now. Pinasakay Zu. Pero nahuli ni Berha. Berha. Pinasakay Erna. Erna. Tatapik. 14. Karinan. Pass to Erna. Erna, 5 for 3. Erna! Meron na to. Ay nanggaling kay Erna. Su, babawi. Wala. Rebound by. Nawala. Su. Pass to shoot. So now, set the play. Looking for si Berha. Tuwing yan. Sumalangyan. Ay na si Erna. Erna, nakuha ni Caritas, nawala na ito ang kalamangan. Napapunta sa 38 ang Taiwan team. Soon now, dribbling the ball. Ay pagsayawan, lock for 3. 1 goal, rebound by William. William pass, 1 goal, rebound by Madon. Madon now. Ayan si Madon, pinasakay Caritas, layup, 2 points by Caritas. Pass to shoot. Shoot. Pass to Way pass to William. William to Logan. Logan, pass to Way, 1 goal. Rebound by Madu. Madu, pinasa kay Erna. Erna pass to William. Intercepted by Berha. Berha, on the middle line. 1 goal. Rebound by Caritas. Caritas jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Erna. Erna to Gomez. Gomez, nakuha ni Way. Ayan nga si Way. Tatalagyan. Pasyato. Long pass. 2 points by Way. Erna is dribbling. Score! 4-7. Gomez. 10 seconds to shoot. Gomez pass. 2 points by Gomez. Kinasakay William, pero munong makuha. William ang bola, kinasakay Logan. Intercepted na kay Berha. Ayan na kay Berha, nakipagsayaw ang kay Logan. Logan, kakintay ng kasama. Nakita si Caritas. Caritas daw. Nagdadalawang isip. 4 second shot clock. Pass to Berha. 10 second shot clock. Ito nang mawala. 5 seconds. Foul free. Wala. Kuhanin Su. Diretso. Su. Lays up. 1 goal. Rebound by Caritas. Carry now. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining for this game. Karinan, chance to play, 50 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Gomez, Yuri Cabalron. Super, Humiao. Wait, tatalaksak, bumangga, may Mato. Mato, Pasto Erna, Erna nakalusok, wala, may alusok survive na rin. Super Humiao. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Williams. Humiao. Wala, may 4 minutes remaining. Karinan now. 15 seconds shot clock. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Intercepted by Way. Way now, dribbling the ball. Way. Back to Williams. 15 seconds. Way files 2 points. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Erna. Easy 2 points. 20. So far, 2 points over 2.
Malakas ang hangin ah.
Erna now, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Last 2 minutes remaining.
Ito naman talaga shooter.
1 goal, rebound by Thor. So now, dribbling the ball. Intercepted. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Williams.
Uy,
2 points by Williams. 5. Yan pasang Sumiao. Pass to shoot. Ayan na si shoot. Shoot ang salaksak, sumagasak, kawala ang bola, pinakailog. Wait, bumangga, tumira, pero may minutes. Yan! Sumiao. Karinan, jump shot. 2 balls, survive Karinan. Erna now, setting the play.
na-injury pa yung kapatid.
15 seconds shot clock. 1 minute and 30
Kapatid ni Ripas na-injury.
10 seconds shot clock.
Wala namang humarang sa kanya dyan, no? Parang nabanat lang.
Karinan. 1 goal, over by Williams. Williams, lumabas si Bom. Back to shoot. 1 minute and 24. Lock pass, 1 goal, over by Laorne. Laorne, arms by Lokias. Oh. Shoot. Lumabas si Bom. Lokias, Leisa. Apat na lang
Manalo to, best player to.
Last 1 minute, keeper from. 10 seconds. Erna. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. Ay. Mato. Lumabas si Bor. Tinakay Laorne. Laorne. Tinakay kalaban kay Karinan. 10 seconds shot. Karinan now. Pass to Laorne. Jump shot. 2 points by Laorne. Sancho Miao.
Nandiyan sa box ba? Box?
Sancho Miao.
Sa box ba? Sa box?
Erna. 30 seconds remaining. Paulo. Karinan. Pinasa kay Gomez, pero natapik. Sancho Miao. Rebound ng Lokia. Sancho Miao. Endo Somerset. Shoot. Sancho Miao. For 3. 1 goal. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Paulo. congratulations. Best player of the game goes to Erica. Best player of the game goes to